What's up guys, welcome to another Super Gods of Africa vlog, and this VW run is actually turned out to an Audi and BMW takeover. If you guys can see it, all these Audis and BMWs behind me. And yeah, if you guys can hear it, my goodness, this is gonna be a great day guys. I don't know if I can keep up because I think I'm gonna park my car because I don't think I'll be able to keep up. This one's pushing out 390. I'm not sure about this one, but my goodness guys, I wouldn't mind having either one of them. And there's a woman driving this car, and she has a everything. So guys, I just asked him to switch on the car for me, and he's gonna rev it. So let's hear this.